In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rearrange records in a grid so your most important items sit right where you want them. First, make sure you're looking at your base in a grid view. This is the classic spreadsheet-style layout where each record appears as a row. If you have multiple tables, open the one that contains the records you want to reorder. It helps to expand your window and zoom a bit so you can clearly see the far left edge of each row, because that's where the drag handle lives. Next, pick the row you want to move. Click on any cell in that row to focus it, or click the small row number area at the far left to highlight the whole thing. If you need to move several records together, you can select multiple rows first, then drag them as a group. Just make sure you're confident about where they're going, because you're changing the visual order of the records in this view. Now for the actual move, look to the very left side of the row. When you hover there, you'll see a small handle made of 6 dots. That's your grip. Position your cursor over those dots, click and hold, and then drag the row up or down. As you move, a line appears showing where the row will land. Release your mouse when the line is exactly where you want the record to go. That's it. The row is now in its new position. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you try to drag and nothing happens, your view is probably sorted. When a view has sorting turned on, Airtable locks the order to match the sort rules, so manual reordering is disabled. Clear the sort or switch to a view without sorting to drag rows freely. The same idea applies to grouping. You can drag within a group, and in many cases you can drag a record into a different group to change the underlying field that defines the group. If the view is filtered, remember that moving a row won't override the filter. If a record no longer matches the criteria, it may disappear after you move it. Finally, row order is view-specific. Reordering here won't change the order in other views of the same table, which is great for keeping custom, purpose-built layouts. And that's all you need to move rows in Airtable quickly and confidently.